Here's one good example why EDC items are important. He's using my Squirt S4. This is on my person. I always carry this every day. He's using the precision screwdriver, and this one comes from my Victorinox climber. This one is from my EDC pouch. So that's one good reason why everyday carry items are important. I'm actually at this is Michael. I'm at the office right now. As you can see, that's Mrs. Kalyamat right there, our boss. Up, focus. Focus. So this is what our office looks like. Kaunsa ka, Mike?
Concept limpyo.
Ha?
Limpyo ni. Isa.
So that's it. This is my EDC keychain. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.